Hi, I would like to introduce myself. This is Navani Ramasani. Today I would like to explain you about strategic report of Amazon. Let us go for introduction. Globalization and technology growth have changed the way business operation. Currently, businesses face still competition due to the rapid increase in customers, need and requirements, new business organizations and new products. For any business to survive in the competitive market, they should transfer digital recruit competitive and talented employees. 100% they have to recruit talented persons, empower their employees and their workforce to increase the production and revenue income. Amazon was launched in 1995 as an online bookstore, but later realized the gaps in market and quickly expanded. In this test facing an industry and recommendations for the global development and sustainability. Coming to the next point. Coming to the next point, external environment analysis of online retail industry. Political factors impacts Amazon technology and services business, including political and stability, especially among the developed countries, offering the company to expand operations in development countries. For example, the company can expand its bricks and monitor stores. In America, the, the Senate's passing of the Marketplace Fairness Act deservedly impacts the business because it will reduce cost advantages. Amazon had own its competitors because it used to pay taxes where it does not have physical premises financially. The various governments efforts to online because the second chance like timely delivery using drones. However, the company experienced constant cybercrime threats, etc. Coming to the next point, Amazon portals for analysis. According to Amazon portals for analysis, due to the continuous transformation in the technology industry, it is very difficult for the company to experience the threat of new attempts. A new business must heavily invest in both human and financial resources on research to stay in competitive industry. Amazon continuously invests in research safety customers. In 2019, the company has several suppliers in the various forms. For instance, online shopping could be physical stores that provides categories to their customers and allow them to call and make the orders or other online stores. Coming to the next point, online retail value chain analysis. According to online retail value chain analysis, Amazon retail business is based on the fulfillment by Amazon and economic of scale for inbound logistics. The company returns strategy is completely done online through customers' accounts. The company has been ranked as the accounts. The company has been retail business in the United Kingdom and USA for the last 5 years. Coming to the next point, Amazon VRIO analysis. According to Amazon VRIO analysis, is the source capability company valuable, rare? The company brand name has been built by several factors like customers trust. The company has earned customers trust through timely delivery, attractive prices, and focused customer services. Other factors, the strength Amazon brand is includes technology, innovation, talented human resource, internal business operations, and well strategic experience. Research development in Amazon is not matched for its competition, making it valuable, rare, and not imitable by others firms because it will causes the time and many resources. Coming to the next point, corporate social responsibility and sustainability analysis. Enrich controls corporate social responsibilities. CSR model defines stakeholders as individual associated with a given organization based on their shares in the business operations. Stakeholders impacts the company and the company to impact them the company CSR strategies. Customers as the key stakeholders and determination of the primary. Amazon has strategy and and Amazon Smile. In 2017, for instance, Amazon Smiles enabled customers to pick their favorite charitable organization where Amazon scales revenues percentage is donated. Such activities influence the community, which is turn influence the company. Coming to the next point, global development and recommendations. Uh, According to this global development and recommendations, one of the strategy that the company may embrace is strategic specialization in specified categories of products. Although Amazon with a wide range of products helps and the business organization increases the selection, it can also cost since some products are not profitable. In 2014, continuously verifications into new products prevents the company from market profits. And coming to the 2014, there are so many profits are there for the Amazon. And Amazon can learn on the experience of the staff members in organization. This can help the reduce the profitability of market. Mistake migrates and test to new products and business. Coming to the next point, CSR Dynamics. CSR server Dynamics face Amazon. One of the dilemmas includes high rates of employees. Amazon has high standards and expectations, and any employee who cannot handle the increasing company's demand is living at high rates. Also, turning point. And it also verification is important, but too much to extend that reduces profit into tax to its sustainability. Coming to the next point, corporate social responsibility and sustainability recommendations. According to corporate social responsibility and sustainability recommendations, the first recommendation is that the company pays its employee as required by the retail industries and offer them incentives to increase the employees' relation rates. In 2020, the provision of the profits providing specified products will be enable the company maximum. Coming to the final conclusion of the project. Internal and external factors of play significant role in the competitive position of any digital businesses. This strategic analysis of internal and external factors enable the various management to understand the both competitive and temporal advantages of their business. Various analysis tools like VRO, Chain, Puzzle, and Paperfry for every organization disposal to affect the internal and external analysis. The weakness included low workforce, return, and the wide a variety of the goods with low profit. This strategic analysis tool measures the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat of a business. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a nice opportunity.